This case begins quietly, but it escalates faster than anyone expects. A father walks into court believing he has discovered extra money, without realizing how serious that claim will become. What starts as a casual comment from a child about new purses suddenly turns into a discussion about a life insurance policy. At first, it sounds like gossip, but the moment finances are mentioned, the courtroom atmosphere shifts. The judge's focus sharpens, and it becomes clear that this case is no longer about assumptions or feelings. One financial decision, still hidden at this point, is about to change everything.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Bridges.
This is where the situation becomes uncomfortable. The father isn't guessing or exaggerating, he is repeating exactly what the child told him. That detail matters, because once a child becomes part of the narrative, the court must move carefully and deliberately. The tension rises as soon as life insurance enters the conversation, because that is not insignificant money. The judge slows the exchange down, separating emotion from fact. At this stage, the court isn't interested in accusations or reactions. The only thing that matters is whether this money truly exists and where it came from.
And I wanted a little bit more for the child.
Okay. How old is the child?
12.
How did you find out she had more money?
The child told me.
What? You asked the child or the child told you?
Oh, the child told me. Came back from visiting with her and is like, Mama has more money.
What? Where did he say this money came from?
He didn't tell me. He kind of only heard little bits. I think it's from the life insurance policy that she has, and only way I think of that is if she got a loan. Oh.
Ma'am.
He's lying.
Ma'am, when I get to you, you'll have your opportunity to speak, okay? So, the child said life insurance?
Yeah, they said something about like life, so I'm guessing it's a life insurance policy, and only way to really do something with that.
When did he tell you this?
Wait. Hold on one second, sir.
Yes,
let me let you know how this goes, okay? I do all the question asking. You address me. Do not address each other. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Now, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
I mean, the child did tell me what he believes she was using it for.
What did he say she was using it for? Because I think that matters.
No.
Purses?
Purses?
Yes.
Purses? What kind of purse? Like the one she has on the table there?
I don't know purses, so I can't say. I just know that he said, Mom.
D'ici the moment the case crack open.
The mother initially denies taking money from a life insurance policy, only to confirm it moments later. $30,000 was withdrawn, not earned income, not a gift, but a loan. Instantly, the claim that the child was lying falls apart. In family court, credibility is everything, and once it's lost, the tone of the case changes permanently. Every explanation that follows is viewed with skepticism. One admission doesn't just clarify the facts, it reshapes the judge's trust and sets the stage for a far stricter outcome.
Talking about? I don't know what he's saying.
So you're saying that your son didn't tell him that you took money out of a life insurance policy?
No.
Well,
no,
let me ask you
I don't
this.
think so.
Did you take money out of a life insurance policy? It's
maybe?
a yes or no, it's not an
Yes, I
Okay,
did.
so he was not lying then. You called him a liar. He's not lying about that. You took money out. How much did you take out?
$30,000.
$30,000 out of a life insurance policy to buy purses? What kind of purses are you buying?
A lot of purses.
Like what? What kind of bag is that?
At this point, the judge's frustration is unmistakable. The mother earned $60,000 a year, yet chose to borrow half that amount against a life insurance policy, not for emergencies and not for the child, but for luxury purchases. The court isn't judging style or personal taste. It's judging priorities. Child support law doesn't care how the money was spent or whether the purchases felt justified.
What matters is success.
When money is available and not used to support the child, the court takes that decision seriously, and consequences quickly follow.
As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
I'm not making.
That was not my question. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
$60,000.
$60,000. So you took out a loan against a life insurance policy for $30,000? That's half of what you make as an interior designer. And you did it to buy bags. You didn't do it to spend on this child. Who does the child live with?
Him.
Child lives with him. And to your...
Now the case turns into pure courtroom math, and the results are unforgiving. The judge counts regular salary income, but also includes money sitting in an account that can be accessed at any time. In family court, accessible assets are treated as income, regardless of how they were obtained. That single $30,000 loan adds more than $2,000 to the monthly net calculation. At this stage, there is nothing left to argue. Numbers replace explanations, and the child support amount rises sharply. This is where financial choices translate directly into legal consequences.
So I'm not going to even entertain it. Let's talk about the monies, okay? So at $60,000, I'm going to calculate your gross for that. And I'm also going to calculate that gross for that $30,000 that you have. Where is that money housed right now?
It's in my account somewhere.
So don't play with me. In your account somewhere. In like a bank account sitting? You're not doing anything with it?
It's somewhere safe where he don't need to be touching it.
You know what? Well, he's definitely getting ready to touch it because I'm getting ready to do these numbers. The $60,000 a year, I have your gross at $4,800. Your net for that is $3,935.18. Then on that $30,000 that you have in a safe place, the gross is $2,500. I have your net, let me make sure this is right, $2,144.63. Total net of $6,079.81. Who carries health insurance for the child?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
About 120.
120, okay. Is that for you and the child or for the child only?
Child only.
Okay, child only. And I see here you did not ask for medical reimbursement. I'm just going to have you continue that coverage, okay? You continue the coverage for that. And then at a later date, we may entertain.
Case ends with a clear and powerful lesson. In family court, money doesn't disappear just because it isn't earned weekly. If you can access it, the court can count it. Every financial decision tells a story about responsibility and priorities, and the judge's ruling reflects that reality. This outcome wasn't driven by emotion or punishment, but by law and math. Now the question is yours. Was this decision fair, or was it too harsh? If this case surprised you, be sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.
I mean,
You have anything else to say? You want to tell me about some more money you have in a safe place so I can make that child support amount go up?
no, I don't.
Okay, so you don't have anything further then, I'm guessing, right?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have anything further, Mr. Bridges?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you all are dismissed.